Hello, my name is Mohammed, and today I'm going to discuss about a topic which is called probabilities, which already discussed, but we need to discuss specifically for the packs, balls, and marbles. Okay, so the question number A is what? A pack is picked at random from a bag containing 3 red packs, 6 blue packs, and 1 green pack. So as we know the formula first, how we calculate the probability, yeah? The probability formula is that what? The outcomes you want divided by total number of possible outcomes. Okay, so this is the formula. Okay, the outcomes you want, okay, divided by the total number of possible outcomes. So the part A is asking about, okay, so find out the total possible outcomes. So the first question is the total possible outcomes for containing 3 red, 6 blue, and 1 green. So it means 3 plus 6 plus 1. So the possible total number of possible outcomes will be 10. So this is the answer for part A. And the part B is saying what? Find the probability of blue packs. So we need to find the probability of blue packs. So blue packs, as we know that, how many are the blue packs? Okay, so blue packs are 6, and the total number of possible outcomes which we already found, which is 10. An answer has to be in fraction, decimal, or percentage. Okay, so if I go for decimal, so it will be 0.6, and if it go for the percentage, so it means the answer will be in percentage 60%. So this is the question number 1. And now move for the question number 2. A bag contains 7 red balls, 2 green, 3 yellow, and 8 blue balls. Find the probability number A. Not red. Okay. So not red. So first we need to find out the possible outcomes, the total number of possible outcomes. Okay, so 7, 2, 3, and 8. So it means how many are there? There are 20 balls. Okay, so it means the total possible outcomes will be 20. Now what is say? Okay, the probability not red. Okay, so except the red we need to count. Okay, how many are the red? The red are 7. Okay, so okay, these are red. Okay, so you didn't count the red ball. So the remaining will be, how many are they? Okay, which is the outcomes you want. Okay, 13, and the total number of possible outcome is 20. So it means the answer has to be in fraction. Okay, or maybe in decimal. So if you go for the decimal, so you need to simply, okay, what you do, 20, okay, and You need to put 13, so put the decimal there, okay? So 20 times 6 is 120, and remaining is 10, increase the 0, so 20 times 5 is 100. So in decimal is 0.65. So in decimal 0.65, and in percentage will be, you need to times by 100, so it means 65%. Okay, so the probability not red. Okay, so not red means you need to accept the red. Okay, you need to add the all possible, which is 2 greens, 3 yellow and 8 blues. You need to add, so these are the 13 out of 20. And the B part says not yellow, so same as, okay, so now there is a yellow, so accept yellow. So if I remove this yellow, okay, this time, so the remaining options, okay, how many are they? There are 17, okay, so it means 17 out of 20. So 17 out of 20. Now move for part C, okay? It says not blue and yellow, okay? So how many are the blue and yellow? So blue are how many? 8 blue. So the total are 20. So 20 take away 8 is blue and say yellow. Yellow are how many? 3. So it means the remaining, the outcomes you want, which is 9. Okay, so 9 over 20. So it means the probability, okay, not red, the answer you're getting 13 over 20. Not yellow, okay, so the answer you're getting 17 over 20. It says not blue and yellow, so it means the total possible options or total possible outcomes, which are 20, to be deducted the number of blue balls and yellow balls, which are total together 11. So 20 take away 11, which is 9. The outcomes you want 9 over 20. So these are the answer for the question number 2. Now I'm going to erase this one, and this question, the third one, is important questions and couple time examine as well. So you need to read and understand the question. So a bag contains only red, green, yellow and blue balls. There are 20 balls in total. So they are giving you, okay, how many total balls are there? 20. 6 of them are red. So in this question, they are not giving you the how many are red, green, yellow or blue. They are just giving you the information out of 20 balls. Out of 20, there are only 6 of them are red. So it means the remaining 14 balls, we don't know how many are red, how many are green, yellow and blue. So it means these are 3 balls, okay? Green, yellow and blue, okay? So it means there are, first you need to understand about how many totals. So the total balls, how many? 20, okay? And the red is given. So the red are 6. So the remaining will be 14 balls, which comprise about, we don't know the number, okay? Green, yellow and blue. So now move for the question. What is the probability of picking a ball that isn't red? So that isn't red means, okay, how many are the red they are giving you? So as per my previous question, what we did, if say that isn't red, so it means the total number of balls to be subtracted, the ball isn't red, which are 6. So it means the outcome you want, which is 20, take away 6, which is 14. So 14 out of the total possible outcomes 20. So, and they are asking about what? They are asking about the answer has to be in decimal this time. So very simple, okay? So we need to work out how. So 14, 20, put the decimal is 40 and 2 times 7 is 14. So it means the probability isn't red is 0.7. Probability isn't red, 0.7. Now go to the part B. The probability of picking a green ball is 0.4. Now what's happening, okay? They are not asking for find the probability of a green ball, okay? Because we don't know the number of green balls, how many. They already given in an exam that, okay, the probability of picking a green ball is 0.4. So 0.4 means is a 40%, or if I say that there are total numbers of balls are 20. So total numbers of balls, how many are? 20. And you need to find out how many are the green. But they are giving you the probability which is 0.4. Okay. So 0.4 means if I times the total number of balls 20 times by 0.4. Or easiest way is 40%. So 4 times 2 is 8. So the 8 will be green balls. So if I'm asking about find the probability of green ball, so what you do, okay? 8 divided by 20, okay? If you simplify this one, the probability for green ball will be 0.4. So it means how many are out of 14 balls, because the first there is a bag, okay? There is a bag, okay? And there is how many? There are 20 balls inside, okay? So they already say the 6 are red. And the green we just found now, okay? So out of, these are the total 20. So out of 20, 6, they already give an exam, okay? The green ball we found just now, okay? So the green are, how many? 8. 8 are green. So it means 8 plus 6, which is 14. 6 plus 8, which is 14. Out of 20, 14 we found, which comprise 2 of them, which is 8 green balls and 6 red. So the remaining will be now is 6. So now we further read the question. There are half as many yellow balls as green balls. So yellow balls as green balls, which are half. So there are 8 green balls. So half of green balls are yellow. Very simple, okay? So what you do, okay? So half of 8, which is 4, and the 4 will be yellow. So 4 will be yellow balls. So it means we need to add, okay, what? 6 plus 8 plus 4, red, green, yellow. So which are coming? 18. The question asking about how many blue are there. So how many blue are there? Definitely the blue will be 2. So 18 plus 2 will be blue. So the answer for number of blue balls are 2. So let me repeat again the question, okay? Now again, the question says a bag contains only red, green, yellow and blue balls. There are 20 balls in total. So there is a bag, okay? And it has 4 different color balls, okay? And the total numbers are 20, okay? And 6 of them are red. They're giving you the 6 already red. First part say that find the probability for not red. So we just subtract 20, take away 6, which is 14, and 14 take away 20, 14 divided by 20, the probability isn't red, is 0.7. And B part is asking about how many blue balls are there. So we just work out 20 take away 6, the red ball, which we already know in the questions. So the remaining balls are 14. And the question says that the picking up the green ball is 0.4. The probability for the green ball is 0.4, which is 40%. So 40% means for the 20 is 8 balls for the green ball. And after that, they said there are half as many yellow ball as green. So it means the yellow are 8. So it means, Green are 8, so yellow will be half of green, which is 4. So I just half of this green balls, make it 4. And add up the red, green and yellow to get the 18. And 18 to be subtracted from the 20 total number of balls. So the remaining will be blue, which are only 2 balls. So that's the final answer. So that's it for today. And if you like this video, please leave your comments and see you in the next video. Bye bye.